Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Informative English with Sana. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic. 100 body health problems vocabulary in English. Whether you're learning English or just want to expand your health vocabulary, this video is perfect for you. Ready? Let's learn together. Headache. Headache. Migraine. Migraine. Fever. Fever. Cold. Cold. Flu. Flu. Cough. Cough. Sore throat. Sore throat. Stomach ache. Stomach ache. Indigestion. Indigestion. Nausea. Nausea. Vomiting. Vomiting. Diarrhea. Diarrhea. Constipation. Constipation. Heartburn. Heartburn. Allergies. Allergies. Asthma. Asthma. Bronchitis. Bronchitis. Pneumonia. Pneumonia. Sinusitis. Sinusitis. Ear infection. Ear infection. Toothache. Toothache. Gingivitis. Gingivitis. Cavities. Cavities. Arthritis. Arthritis. Rheumatism. Rheumatism. Back pain. Back pain. Sciatica. Sciatica. Hernia. Hernia. Sprain. Sprain. Strain. Strain. Fracture. Fracture. Dislocation. Dislocation. Tendinitis. Tendinitis. Bursitis. Bursitis. Carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome. Tennis elbow. Tennis elbow. Plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis. Varicose veins. Varicose veins. Thrombosis. Thrombosis. Hypertension. Hypertension. Hypotension. Hypotension. Anemia. Anemia. Leukemia. Leukemia. Lymphoma. Lymphoma. Melanoma. Melanoma. Psoriasis. Psoriasis. Eczema. Eczema. Acne. Acne. Rosacea. Rosacea. Dermatitis. Dermatitis. Alopecia. Alopecia. Dandruff. Dandruff. Cataracts. Cataracts. Glaucoma. Glaucoma. Macular degeneration. Macular degeneration. Conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis. Stye. Stye. Epilepsy. Epilepsy. Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease. Multiple sclerosis. Multiple sclerosis. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease. Dementia. Dementia. Stroke. Stroke. Heart attack. Heart attack. Angina. Angina. congestive heart failure, atherosclerosis, atherosclerosis, cholesterol, cholesterol, diabetes, diabetes, hypoglycemia, hypoglycemia, hyperglycemia, hyperglycemia, obesity, obesity, anorexia, anorexia, bulimia, bulimia, depression, depression, anxiety, anxiety, bipolar disorder, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, schizophrenia, obsessive compulsive disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, post-traumatic stress disorder, insomnia, insomnia, narcolepsy, narcolepsy, sleep apnea, sleep apnea, hepatitis, hepatitis, cirrhosis, cirrhosis, gallstones, gallstones, kidney stones, kidney stones, urinary tract infection, urinary tract infection, prostate problems, prostate problems, endometriosis, endometriosis, ovarian cysts, ovarian cysts, fibroids, fibroids, menopause, menopause, infertility, infertility, sexually transmitted infections, sexually transmitted infections, HIV, AIDS, HIV, AIDS, tuberculosis, tuberculosis, malaria, malaria, dengue fever, dengue fever. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep learning.